reach there, but he's promised to see that we have a formal arrangement for this, and we are working on it. But taking from what Lalit has done, you all know that he's a workaholic. He was elected on 6th of March, and his term was supposed to start from 1st of April. From 6th of March to 1st of April, he has already inducted 18 associations, builders associations across the country, from small towns to big towns. And he says that they are about 80 now. By the end of 2 years, he wants to make it 185. Now, when they sign on an association, they make them sign a code of ethics so that everybody has at least some basic expectations and performance from the builders who are members of CREDAI. Now, as we were a fledgling small association taking baby steps, we took a lot of inspiration from what PBAP was doing at that time, and tried at all times to dovetail and have a symbiotic relationship and function as one industry with us as the marketing arm. I can see that vision starting to happen, which is a very good thing, and it is a sum total of everybody's contribution in the past 25 years. The other objects are to invest the funds of the association in a manner as the association may, in the best interests of the association as it may be found fit and proper. To do all other such lawful acts or things that are incidental or conducive to the attainment of the objectives or any one of the objectives of any of them, generally to take such measures to promote the business of members. This is the operative part. When we were talking to Lalit, he says we are not meeting here just to interact with each other, get to know the best practices. The bottom line is, at the end of 2 years, can I add 100 rupees a square feet to the income of all my builder members? If I can do that, then I would have succeeded. These are his words. Similarly, if we use all the tools that are available to us, and here I mean networking is one of them. Believe me, I was seriously challenged for technology. But thanks to Pankaj and later with some of my own initiatives, I am really learning to make technology work for me and my business. EAAP did provide the opportunity for everybody to get training at a very nominal cost during Govind's time. Now, that opportunity we can revive any time to see that everybody gets benefit from that. So, to promote business of individual members, that is one of our objectives. So, to do that, we all must A, take our business seriously, B, take everything that is available, including conventions, seriously. Along the way, in 25 years, we've achieved a stable constitution, democratic functioning. With all their achievements, CREDAI still pussyfoots around an election. They don't want to have an election. They always have a nomination, they do some adjustments amongst themselves and say, this is the committee. Every time, and once Morris had told us while I was president that why do you want, you guys are doing work, why you continue? And we said, no, we must have an election. We must be here with the will of the people.